line, tell the three shoulders, hey, there you go, come with another 6-8. 40, 30, 30 metre, 35, 30 gun, 35, 30 money, 35. G'day everyone, Andy Carter here from McDonald Lawson Carter in Mudgee. We've just completed our fat sale for today, and sheep sale starts at 11:30 to come. But agents yarded 800 cattle here today, of which we had about 500 of them. Terrific quality yarding of cattle, as you'd expect in a season like this. Cattle are coming in with plenty of weight and plenty of condition, so it's really good to see. We started on our vealers today, like our milk-fed calves, and we had a really good run of them, sort of like Euro crosses and stuff like that, straight off the cows. They sold, probably didn't have the heat in them that they did pre-Christmas, but still sold very well. Calves straight off the cows, sort of mid 300 kilos, making sort of 570s, 580s, and then once you sort of got back in weight or a little bit in quality, they were sort of 560s and around that, and particularly on the heifers as well. But I thought they sold very well. Pre-Christmas we're probably up around the $6 mark, but today was sort of 570s, 580s, and then if you had a pen full of them and they were black, well they were making $6 and the likes. Then we went on to around the corner onto a terrific run of feeder steers, predominantly blacks, Angus feeder steers. They varied in a little bit of weight. We had some lighter calves that made up over $6, 622 cents I think they made, topped at. And then as we got heavier, the rate came back. But most of our real good quality black feeders around the 400 kilo mark or a bit better, up to sort of 450s and the likes. They were sort of making 580s, the very odd pen did make 590, but more like 575, 580s and in the 80s. Once you got up in a little bit of weight, over sort of 500 or 520 kilos, the rate dropped a bit, and it sort of came back down. I think there was some good calves there. They're probably going to weigh 520 or 30 kilos, and they came back at 520, 530, which I thought was a good shot on the day. And then once you get up over 550 kilos, where you're back under like around the $5 mark and under, and the heavier you get, the rate obviously comes back. We had a real good run of heavy cattle, heavy kill cattle. Heifers, there was a supermarket buyer missing, but there was another buyer here taking up the slack, and they sold particularly well, I thought. The heifers, with a fair bit of weight and condition, they were coming back at sort of 420s up to 440s and 50s even for the better shapes and higher yielding ones. And then the steers, they were sort of some of our steers had a fair bit of weight in them, and they were around the 450, but a lot of like they were up at 700 kilos, I'd imagine. But then, our good steers, 550 up to sort of 650 kilos, they topped out at I think 488, which was a terrific shot there. Went around onto a terrific run of cows and pens full of them too. Just preg-tested empty cows or weaned calves off them, and they presented in real top order. They topped at 385.2 cents. I'd imagine those cows are going to be in excess of 650 kilos or better, and they'll come back at a decent price. But most of our cows today, good cows with good cover, good condition, and pens full of them were making 380s, 370s and 80s, and then once you got off them onto, whether they just didn't quite have the weight or condition, they were sort of back to your 350s and 60s. But terrific sale here today. So 800 cattle, and cattle are just presenting in a fantastic order. We're having a terrific season here. Well, I think we get about an inch of rain most weeks. So it's been Andy Carter reporting for the Mudgee Fat Sale. Thanks very much.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?